Hello friends, welcome back to Extra Space Video Library, and today we are going to discuss a commodity item, namely gold, August future. In gold future, firstly I'll tell you that the margin required, as I have seen in Zerodha, it's around 3 to 4 lakh rupees, and accordingly we have kept our target of 250 points and stop loss of 400 points. With the target of 250 points, we'll earn a profit of 25,000 rupees. So we'll be starting from, as you can see, there was signal on August 4, and the signal arrives at 11 around 11:30, means at the closing of the market time. So we must have bought at in we must have bought in next morning, right? So you can see that the open point was 48,215, and the high point it has gone on next day. It was 48,781. So you can see that we have achieved our target of 250 points, and also I'll show it to you that it has not touched our stop loss point. It has gone low to 48,105, as you can see in the box, right? So it has not touched our stop loss point, and we achieved our target of 250 points, that is 25,000 rupees in one signal. Now secondly, one rule we are going to set that in commodity, whenever we are going to trade in the in any candle, for example in this candle, so we must in buying, firstly we are considering this buy signal. So if the open point, for example, was 48,215, so we can buy it below 20 to 30 points. It is because whenever next candle arrives after signal, I have seen that it goes down below 20 to 30 points, and then again it rises to a height. So we can buy it below 20 to 30 points. In this scenario, the open point was 48,215. So we could have bought at 48,200 rupees. Okay, and then the target was achieved. I have shown it earlier. Okay. Now we'll move back to July 1st. There was signal on July 1st with the open value of 48 to 39, but the as we have set our rule that until the stop loss line crosses over, we won't consider it as a valid signal. Okay, so this part was not a valid signal until it crossed the stop loss line, crossed it over here. So this was the valid signal point, and we must have sold it in the next candle. So this was the open point 47,939, as you can see it over here, and the lowest point was 47,606. So here also we have achieved our target of 250 points. We'll move back again. um, there was signal on 26th, a buy signal was there, so we must have bought it over here. The open point was 48,212, and you consider it at what lowest point you must have bought it. And in the very next not in next hour, but after 2 3 hours, sorry, actually in morning, the signal came and the target was achieved there only. It went to 47,700 rupees. So target of 250 rupees was achieved in the signal also. Again, there was a signal on 25th, but we would have waited until the stop loss line would have crossed it. It crossed here, so our trading point was this one, this candle, and you can see that open point was 47,966, and low point, I'll show it to you. Low point was 47,700. So here also we had achieved our target of 250 points. And again there was signal on 23rd. So the open point was 48 240, and high it has gone to 48 589. You just keep looking in the box. The high was 48 589, as you can see. So we have achieved our target here also. You can see that on 23rd there was a stop sell signal, but since the stop loss line didn't cross, so we will not consider it as a valid signal, and we won't have traded over here. Again, there was a signal on it was on 16th. Okay, there was a buy signal on 16th, so we must have bought it over here. The open point was 47,322, and on the same day, after 2 hours, the high has gone to 47,650. So here also we had got our target of 250 points. Now I'll show it to you properly. The signal was on 13th, sell signal, and the open point was, as in the box you can see, open point of 47,033, and it has gone low. I'll show it to you properly. The low point was 46,546. So here also the open point 47,033 and low point again 46,546. Here also we got our target of 250 points. Okay, now moving to the next signal. It has arrived on 9th of June. So we would have bought it over here. Open point was 46,226 and the high point on the same day was 46,737. So here also we achieved our target without touching the stop loss. Then a signal, I think this was the last signal of the month. Let me show it to you properly. Yeah, the signal was here on 2nd of June. No, yeah, 2nd of June it arrived. So we must have sold it over here. The open point was 46,555. On the very next day it has gone to 45,673. Here so we achieved our target of 250 point without touching the stop loss. So friend, you can see that we have not considered any loss in 1 month, and you must have seen that there was 7 to 8 signals. I didn't count it, but it was around 7 to 8 signals. There was no loss signal. So you must have calculated how much profit we have earned by multiplying in 25,000 rupees. So this was all, friends. We must be meeting with the next video. Just keep waiting. We'll be arriving soon with the next video. Thank you.